What's good, guys? Special type of video, different type of video. We're here in the studio in LA. I made it to LA, which is crazy.
Yo, what up? I'm Infinite.
Dylan, what's good?
Daniel Saint.
Infinite too.
Yes, sir.
Lifestylediddit.
Today we got a challenge. Basically, the concept is that each of us picks one VST and pick one sound, and that's the sound we're basically sticking with. We cannot change the sound. If it's a trash sound, then fuck it. You gotta cook up with that.
Left.
No!
Let's dive into it. Let's get it. All right, let's start with some Serum. So we'll just pick one sound. Okay, wait. I
You
know
don't want to sit, dude?
this bell is
You been standing on.
That's hard.
That's cool. There's a bounce to it already.
Yeah, like that.
This is a random sound you just picked?
Yeah.
We gonna be all right.
I think it's time for the next song. Who wanna go?
Ah, damn it. Yeah. Soft keys. This sounds like it'll work. Soft keys, right?
You got one clip.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, work.
That's solid.
You got so lucky.
You got lucky, bro.
I'll see what's up with it, bruh.
What do we have in here that I've never used before? I don't think I've ever. I don't even know what the like. Oh my god, bro! I need effects. I need something, bro.
Favorite
Or
scissors
back to
shoot.
back is crazy.
It's like channel brand new.
Like 2
right.
years later, they
Sound.
came up.
Dinner's ready.
Alright, I think that's good. Alright, guys.
And then if all else fails, just
Last
delete
one.
it.
Alright, what does everyone? I'm gonna
Actually, I
use
got
Serum.
one from your channel.
Run Serum. So when I click it, that's what I get?
Yeah.
Ooh.
End up doing really well.
I'm gonna run it like this, bro. Fuck it. I'm going sad melody. Hey, but what if it gives me like a chord generated shit? Can I switch it?
Fuck that, bro.
I gotta use it.
Oh.
All right, you guys get to vote, bro. Do I click the one I want, or you want me to just scroll? You said risk it.
Scroll.
Risk it.
Scroll. Random scroll.
All right, let me know if I'm still going.
Yep, you're gone. You're gone.
Okay, I'm about to.
He scrolled back down.
I'm here. Am I on it?
The shit is called booty.
2.
And then left.
No! You guys let me choose one called booty? Look at the resonance on this motherfucker, dude. This is gonna ruin the beat, bro.
It's like
Try some shit, bro.
It's gonna ruin the beat, dog. You know what I really wanted to add? Like a cool lead for these types of beats.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That you could go crazy with the drums. Then I got stuck with booty. Can I add hi-hats just to have something to go with the lead? Sounds like some Tony Hawk shit.
Try to flip.
Bro, I always start with the 808 just to create the bounce.
Dude, I go the other way.
Yeah.
I like this because it's like, oh, give me that snare.
They can go crazy with the snares and like the.
I gave everyone a window, bro. I have so many, you guys gotta choose one. Okay, so this one is gonna be the counter snare, but which one of these?
I like that one right there. Yeah, that would be the first or the third.
Yeah, I fuck with the third too. I'm gonna let you arrange it. Nope.
Your channel.
We'll be here forever.
Your arrangement.
You don't want to pause it just in case, bro? You're
Nah,
brave.
bro.
That's
Just
such
let
a
it
long
run.
session.
Just let it run. Bro, thank you guys. So far.
you,
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
sir.
Appreciate it.
Come on.